Why does cinematic content work on social media? Did you know the social media scrolling feature is copied from the slot machine in gambling casinos? And this exactly answers why cinematic content works. Because it's different. The reason why it works is because each content creator have their own individual style. They have their own color grading, own unique typeface, and the video is great quality. In reality, being different is the secret sauce. So when somebody is scrolling on social media and a cinematic video catches their eye, it forces them to stop scrolling and to stick around to watch. This isn't just about cinematic content. Animations are also great at breaking the viewer from being glued to their screen scrolling for hours and hours. Why do animations work? Because it's highly engaging. It's great at delivering a message and great at creating a brand's unique style. Here are 2 different animations we have created for different brands, each having their own unique style that's tailored to their target audience. So if you would like to get more attention for your brand to sell your product and service, then DM us 10x, and we will invite you to view your personalized blueprint to achieving success with the power of social media.